Good afternoon. My name is Jonathan Rolando Muñoz. I will explain Unit 2, Step 3. The chosen topic, the variable about accident and number of injured that when in the car accident. Also we can find the absolute frequency, which is the number of times the accident is repeated. For example, the number of cases where an injured person has been involved is the 24. There is also relative frequency. This one is the representation of the absolute frequency, thus defined between the intervals 0 and 1. The other column is the percentage frequency, which is the representation of the relative frequency of an interval of 0 to 100. The median is equal the average, that in this case is 3. Mod is the max repeat fact, which is 0 in the case. Median is the middle term of data, which is 3, and the quartile 3 takes the 65% of data, which in this case is 5. Finally, you can see the absolute frequency tables.